All right, we got our good and prep down. I literally did, so I can show y'all. Literally, I just got some deep conditioner and I put my, like the leave-in, or like a hair cream just to like get my hair down flat. And then I put in these cute little braids with a scrunchie because it's less tension. And then I just put it on like this. And then I just brought my little dookies up. And here we are, ready to take on the world. Okay, first things first. I don't know what's first things first. I see people put the holes in their ears so it can sit nicely. I don't feel like she needs that. Like she did so good. Like this gonna look so freaking cute as soon as I figure out how to do it. This is gonna be a sticky situation. How do y'all pull it up, pull it back? Y'all, my hairline go too far by my eyebrow. Okay, we did it. We did that. It's over my ears. So we're gonna cut the little hole in the ear so it can stay right here. One, I'm gonna coat my hair, and then I'm gonna put some Got2b to make it invisible. And then I'm gonna cut this in my ears first. Cut the little hole in my ear. Yep. That'll do it. To make sure she good. Yeah. Y'all, this is getting a little crazy. My cousin told me about it. It's like it's to protect your hair from everything. So I'm just gonna put like that much, pretty thick, and lay it on my hair. On the edges, all that. Okay, and I think it's supposed to get hard, but it's okay. I'm just gonna make sure everything's brushed back. Okay. Oh, So what I seen people do. Oh, my hair coming all over the place. So I see people. Okay. So that's melting it. Y'all, my hairline too far up for this. Y'all see all that? Looking like a Chewbacca. Y'all have no idea what I'm doing. Y'all, is it gonna get stuck to my head? Oh, brother. I have no idea what I just did. But I've seen people go in and they cut it. Oh, Lord. It looks like it's moving to me. Okay, we're just gonna cut the little band off. Mommy, I'm a star. Okay. Okay. I see what y'all be doing. I see what y'all be doing. Okay, one section at a time now, baby. Okay. It's getting sticky. Can we let her go? Oop, let's not cut my ear off. I don't know, do they keep it like this? No. Okay. Oop, no girl. Just stay down. Okay, what I need to do, y'all? Okay, hold on. We gotta pull it and keep it snug. It's hot! You got to be kidding me. Okay, she's doing the most, so we just might have to cut her off. It ain't nothing to cut that off. Ooh, yeah, this part over here is sticky. I've been seeing people get like little, they blades too, but I don't want to cut myself in the head. So maybe if I do a little bit more spray, it's gonna disappear some more. Yup, and do it. It's disappearing. Let's not lift her up, we're gonna keep putting her down. Yup. Book me. Book me. But we're gonna put the NARS. It's giving paintbrush. Oh, well, this is, I mean, on camera it's looking like a wig cap. Whatever. Yo, what's happening right now? What's happening right now? I actually have no idea. I'll wash my hands. I have never done this before, but we have currently reached the point of no return. So let's bring her back up and let's get into it. Okay. Let's hope that this works because this hair is too pretty. The fingers are fingering right through it. Like, I'm begging you. Please. I literally wanted to dye my hair this color. Thanks, Gorgius. Hold on, bucko, it's scalping! It's scalping! Wait a minute! Wait a minute! One thing about it, I'm the baddest alive. Oh, it's fooling me. Okay, so we can't do too much right here. We can't do too much right here. I mean, unless I unglued it or something. Yeah. Because honestly, can take that off a little bit. Ooh. Oh, that's when people start ripping their hair off. Okay. Got it. Copy. Okay, now I'm going in. I'm taking some of this off a little bit. In case I do decide to flip my hair. I don't look like a crazy person. There's a lot going on. Okay, so we just gotta keep it down like this. But do we see how that just fell? Do we see how that just fell? Y'all, I'm scared to cut the lace. I don't know what I'm doing. But this looks so good. Oh, wow. Wow. I ain't do nothing to the wig. I know if I want to look more natural, I'll probably, people be plucking and stuff, but hey. Hey, it is what it is. I think I could cut right here because this is where my ear is, but I'm not gonna cut nothing because I don't know what I'm doing. So we'll keep it right by the ear. If she just gonna be covered up. What you say? Okay. What's next? So this is when people start glowing. Wow, never knew this day would come. So I think I'm actually gonna glue it because y'all look at this. Like, I know I can pluck it and stuff, make it look more natural, but it's giving what I want it to give. And I feel like if I glue it, it'll do what it needs to do. Okay, so rule number 1. I know they say cut your wig in sections. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I'm gonna use the back of like this little painter brush for hair, but I'm just gonna use this part. It's similar to a rat's tail. I mean, a rat's tail. A rat's tail? Be for real. Ooh. I got it off of Amazon a long time ago when I had more ambition to like glue my wig. gonna pull her down. We're gonna press her. Okay, we're pressing her up. She's disappearing. I don't know how long. I don't know how long. Woo! Yeah, I think I'm doing pretty good actually. Okay. Period. You place well. I mean, you can kind of see that a little bit. That's pretty invisible. Oh my gosh. You gotta look real close. Don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. Y'all know I'm so proud of you. So now I think Gorgius wigs have never disappointed me. Whenever I cut it, I'm gonna cut it real, like very thin. So like literally, it's only gonna be like right here. Okay, helpful tip. We should have put our hair back some more. Like we need the hair out the way, out the way. Y'all, I did not put alcohol on my head before. I hope that doesn't give me any problems. And I hope this is how I'm supposed to be laying this glue on my head. Now for the tricky part. Well, actually, I don't know. Okay, so this is where everybody gets to do they edges. And I don't know how to go about that. And I don't know how to go about that. But like this part, then this part down. Right. So I'm not a fan of my little widows too, okay? I don't feel like I need to cut my hair super, like I don't like how they cut them short. You have them blunt edges, because my edges are interesting. So let's see how I want to do this. I'm thinking, oh, definitely by this ear, babes. We're cutting her. I'm kind of cutting them like the length of my actual edges. I don't like the little short edges. We've reached the point of no return. I mean, we can do like little edges like this, honestly. Like, please. I didn't even put no heat in it. I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then I'm gonna be back. Okay, it hasn't been that long, but I feel like it's been long enough. That's how I like my edges, like pulled back kind of, but I don't want to cut. Cool. And then, okay, I guess I need like this little part to be laid a little bit. I guess so. Yeah, I guess this needs to be laid. kind of need it on my forehead. Like you see? I like a very soft light. Boom. Whoa. I mean, I could put this down because I can see like why this look bulky. But okay, girl. Then we'll get some down here for sure. Cause I probably want to wear my hair like behind my ear, kind of, sort of. That little part. Girl, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Wow. So I need to do this side then. With my whole heart. I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm thankful that the hair came out to look very, very natural. Pretty thick. This is a long piece. Oh, look at that. That's so soft. Ooh, I can't wait. Once we put it by my ear right there like that, I could make this less. But this is cute. Okay, people! Y'all, look at me. Do I need to like get a comb? I need to like kind of so it can like stay up. Y'all, I did it myself! Wow. Wow, 360? Can y'all see this? Well, maybe a 180. It's the orange. It's that orange highlight. Like, what? Wow. It's the highlight for me. Honestly.